Using a Cash App card without the physical card is possible through the Cash App mobile application. To start, ensure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your device. First, open the Cash App and navigate to the Account Balance page. From there, click on the Cash Card tab. This will take you to a page where you can access your Cash Card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. To use your Cash App card without the physical card, you can add it to a digital wallet such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. To do this, select the Add to Digital Wallet option from the Cash Card tab. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once your Cash App card is added to a digital wallet, you can use it to make purchases online or in store. For online purchases, select the digital wallet as your payment method at checkout. For in-store purchases, open the digital wallet app and select your Cash App card to make a payment. Another way to use your Cash App card without the physical card is by using the account and routing numbers. You can find these numbers in the Cash App by navigating to the Direct Deposit tab. From there, you can use the account and routing numbers to set up direct deposit or to pay bills online. It is essential to keep your Cash App account and card information secure. To do this, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Additionally, regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions. By following these steps, you can use your Cash App card without the physical card. This provides a convenient and secure way to manage your finances and make payments. Always ensure to follow best practices to protect your account and card information.